Okay, so here's a walkthrough of all the steps, or maybe just all the steps up to the bridge, at least for today, in the dance problem. So I will walk through them, break them down, and then dance them a couple times. So the first step is kick, step, toe, ball, heel, step, step, heel, kick, slap, down, go up on your toes, up, down. Then jump onto your left foot, place your right foot behind you, and do a pullback or just a hop touch, and then hop on the right foot, toe down, hop touch. So if you're just doing the fake pullback, you're going to jump on the left foot, put your right foot back, hop toe, hop touch, hop toe, hop touch. So if you're doing the real pullback, it's going to go hop toe, hop touch, like that. So again, the first step, kick, step, toe, ball, heel, step, step, heel, kick, slap, down, up on your toe, down, hop toe, hop toe. So that's the first step. Again, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, step, toe, ball, heel, step, step, heel, kick, slap, down, up, down, up. And end it with a hop up. So one more time. Kick, step, toe, ball, heel, step, step, heel, kick, slap, up, down. So that's the first step. So you just ended with an up. You're going to go hop, step, step, brush up, hop, step, step, brush up. So that's just 2 travels. Again, so adding it to the first step, kick, step, toe, ball, step, step, heel, kick, step, up, down, up, travel. From here, you just ended up, you're going to go rock, step, step, pull, step, kick, step, step, step. So slowly. You ended up, do a rock, step, step, pull, kick, slap, step. Let's try that again. Rock, step, step, pull, kick, slap, step, step. Again. Rock, step, step, kick, step. One more time. Rock, step, step, slap. And then after you finish that, step forward. So, if you add it onto the travels, it's hop, toe, step, step, brush up, hop, toe, step, step, brush up, step, step, step. And then from here, you're going to do a pullback, a double back. So, or you can just do the slide. You just hit the step. So, if you're just going to do the slide, it would look like this. Rock, step, step, pull, kick, and then end up. So, let's try that, adding it into the kick step. 5, 6, 7, 8, kick. Up, down, travel. One more time. Kick. Travel. Rock, step, step, and that's if you're just doing the slide, and then end with the foot up. Sorry, I didn't do that. So, one more time from the beginning. Kick. Up, down. Travel. Up. Again, that was not with the pullback, just the slide. So, from there, we're going to do a step that starts off like the sherry, which we've done before. And that looks like this. Double, double, up, toe, down, brush up. So, let's try that again. Double, double, up, toe, down, brush up. So facing you. Double, double, up, toe, down, brush up. So, one more time. double, double, up, go down, push up. Now, that's not the whole step, it's just half of it. So, you go double, double, up, go down, brush up, step, brush up, just touch it. Don't take weight on that, because immediately you're going to double bounce behind. So, it looks like double, double, up, go down, brush up, step, brush up, touch, double bounce. Be on both toes. So let's try that again. Double, double, up, go down, brush up, step, brush up, touch, double bounce. From here, do 2 double steps, and then go toe, ball, kick, up. So, facing you, double, double, up, go down, brush up, step, brush up, touch, double, back, double, double, toe, ball, kick, up. So, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Double, double, up, go down, brush up, step, brush up, touch, double, back, double, double, toe, ball, kick, up. Now, we turn that. So, for that step, what it's going to look like, you turn on the second scuff up. So, double, double, up, go down, brush up, step, brush up, touch, double, bounce, double, double, kick, up. One more time. Double, double, up, go down, brush up, step, brush up, touch, double, back, double, double, toe, ball, kick, up. So one more time. Slowly, just breaking down that step. Double, double, up, go down, brush up, step, brush up, touch, double, back, double, double, toe, ball, kick, up. One more time, turning. So, double, double, up, go down, brush up, step, brush up, touch, double, back, double, double, toe, ball, kick, up. So, we add those 3 steps together, it would look like this. Now, I guess what I should have said, when we do step 1 and 2, one that travels, you turn a quarter each time to end up backwards. So you repeat steps 1 and 2 twice, but we will work that out in class. Just practice the components of the steps. So, step 1, kick, up, down, travel, double, double, up, one more time, just doing all 3 steps. It's a slightly different order in the video, but let's just get the foundation of the steps. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, kick, up, down, from here it's pretty easy. You'll top step. So that's easy. So you just ended this. Double, double, up, go down, brush up, step, brush up, touch, double, back, double, double, up. Then you change feet. And as Blake said, make those legs high, like you're presenting them. So you would and hit, and hit. So then the next step is pretty easy. You're just going to go double out to the back, pick the right foot up, turn to the front, pick the left foot up, turn to the back, pick the right foot up, and turn to the front. You will be moving in this direction, but I don't have a lot of space, so work on that. So, you just ended up, you went and clap, 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 double out, 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 out. So that's kind of like the 4th step. So once you did that, we get into some of the jazzy stuff. And that's the next part, where you're going to go out, up, out, up. So you can kind of get funky, go out, up, out, up. Again, out, up, out, up. From here you're going to go just went out, up, heel, flat, together. Again, out, up, heel, flat, together. Or if you're lazy, you just want to do a step together, it's fine, but try to get a little bit of your heel there. So again, out, up, heel, flat, together. From here, you're gonna go heel, bounce, double, heel, up. The bounce is key to get this right. So it sounds silly, but this is a tough step, I think, because we've always done it a different way. So make sure you do the bouncing. So it's out, up, heel, step together, heel, bounce, double, heel, up. So it looks like this. Heel, bounce, double, heel, up. Again. Out, up, heel, step together. Heel, double, heel, up. One more time. Out, together, heel, flat, together. Heel, double, heel, up. Now you can really move this, the heel flap together. I don't have much room here in the same video. I might even have already cut my head off a couple times, but as long as you can see the feet, we're good. So let's try that. Out, up, heel, flip together. Heel, bounce, double, heel, up. From here, you're gonna do like, round the world windmill, whatever they're called, but we've done this. So you just end it heel, bounce, double, heel, up. You're going to go double around, heel, hop, heel. We've done this in a lot of dances, so that should be pretty easy. So you just did heel, bounce, double, heel, up, double around, heel, hop, heel. From here, you're going to go step, up, touch. Lift this back foot. See how it's flared in the back? So, you go double around, heel, hop, heel, step, up, touch. Jump on that foot. One more time. Double around, heel, hop, heel, step, up, touch. From here, you're going to hop on the left foot and double on the right. Step, double, step, touch. Like that, touch. So, you just did double around, heel, hop, heel, step, up, touch, step, double, step, touch. From here, you're going to go double, rock, heel, step, touch. Very slowly. That looks like this. Double around, heel, hop, heel. Step, up, touch. Step, double, step, touch. Double, rock, heel, step, touch. So facing you, it looks like this. Double around, heel, hop, heel. Step, up, touch. Step, double, step, touch. Double, rock, heel, step, touch. One more time, or maybe a couple. You did double around, heel, hop, heel. Step, up, jump on it. Step, double, step, touch, double, rock, heel, step, touch. Again. Double around, heel, hop, heel. Step, up, hop. Step, double, step, touch, double, rock, heel, step, touch. So let me do it one more time facing you, so you can see what it looks like. Double around, heel, hop, heel. Step, up, hop. Step, double, step, touch, double, rock, heel, step, touch. So, let me just practice that or try that a couple times, getting a little faster. So, and let me go from where we did the out stuff out. So, starting from the jazz part, out, heels and together, heel, bounce, double, heel, up, double around, heel, hop, heel, step, up, touch, step, double, step, touch, double. Again. So, out, out, heel and together, heel, drop, double heel, up, double around, heel, pop, heel, step, step, up, step, double, step, touch, double, rock, heel, rock, pull, step, touch. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, out, out, heel and together, heel, bounce, double heel, up, double around, heel, hop, heel, step, step, up, step, double, step, touch, double, rock, heel, rock, pull, step, touch. So, that is, I think, all the steps up to the bridge. Work on all those components and come ready to class to move on. So let me do it, all the steps up to there. I'm not going to repeat it, meaning doing it to the front and back. I'm just going to practice the steps. So we have dancers for that. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. The steps. I know we've taught them all at some point. Maybe not all of you went over them all recently. Just work on this, rewind a lot, because that's the only way I got it. And we'll tape more of these later in the week. Have fun!